Hey guys, Alex, Bay Cities Construction. Hey, I want to share with you real quick a balcony that has a tremendous amount of damage caused by a lot of neglect. So let's walk you through it real quick. Looking at the subfloor, you can see that it's gone. It's completely folded. Okay, the center, that's all what used to be the subfloor. It looks all fibrous, looks almost like a hair. It's gone. It's completely rotted. So on top of that is a mortar bed with tile, which makes it heavy. Not a good idea. So the water got trapped between the tile and that subfloor. I tell this to people all the time. Once that happens, the wood's got no chance. It's just going to have a slow rot.